Your day.
Yeah, today, I feel good on the end of the game. Beginning, I was really behind on the count. That's why I got, a lot of pitch early. I don't know how many pitch I got early, but I feel like I throw a lot of pitch after the third inning. I start putting the ball well. But for me, I feel really, really good. Like I'm used to pitch on the end of the game.
What was it like going through that lineup? Obviously, they've added a lot of star players. What was it like for you going up against them?
That's they got pretty good hitters, all of them. They got pretty good lineup right now. They got a lot of swing guys. I had to gotta be careful with my own pitch. I know that I know they know how the pitch I'm gonna throw in any count, especially the guys play with me like Reyes and Bonifacio, Melky, he know me well. And the rest of the guys, I just try to figure out how to pitch. I know Rasmus and Dave, I faced it a lot last year, but the thing is, I feel good, I feel great. I just need to work on more on for my fast first strike.
How satisfying is it to go 7 when, as you mentioned, that pitch count kind of was climbing through 5 or 6? I mean, did you know at the time, 8 strikeouts, did you realize you could go 7 in this one?
I don't knew that I go to the 7 until the pitching coach told me. But I feel good. He asked me like how I feel, and I said I feel great. I can put my my command back, and I threw just a few pitches, and that's in.
To throw 114 pitches on a ball this early in the season, what does that say about how you must feel right now?
I feel good. That's more important. I threw 101 on the last game in the spring training. I threw 95 in my last outing, and today I threw a lot of pitch, but I feel good. They don't rush me. I just think the thing that I want to do is put my first try, but that's not work today. But I feel good after 114 pitches.
What do you say to Don Kelly after he robbed JP and Stevia there?
Oh yeah, I think he make my day. That's gosh, he great. He played very good today. That's what the thing we used to. If we keep the score right there, I know the team at some point they're gonna hit.
I know you were impressed with this lineup when you came over after the trade last year, but how much better is this offense, especially with a guy like Torii Hunter in there?
Yeah, this lineup is it's amazing. That's why I take the decision for come back here. I know that we got a pretty good team. I know that right now we got Victor out, but so if you put the lineup, I think everybody have to play more hard than they used to. So they have to play hard with us, and that's what we know too.